Hello, my name is Derek Misquez, and I'd like to present to you my futuristic character, created by me. Let me tell you what it's about. So, it's a half alien, half human, half breed, and it's a cyborg. Reason is because, in the far, far future, my idea was that the human race got evolutionized, like it kept going up in words, like changing, like it kept changing, our evolution. So we started growing parts, right? We started growing things that made us like turn color, like our color change, and now we can fly. We have jetpacks now, and now we have robot arms, since we need to look at the technology. Like, instead of using our phones, we have a robot arm, and we also have a laser blaster, because if we're ever in danger, we can use that to attack people that are attacking us. So a laser blaster can help us, as well as the pants, because these type of pants have extra pockets in the far, far future that can carry anything, like a hammer, like a trampoline, whatever you name it. These are the type of pockets that can help you. And this right here is a portal gun, as you can tell. You might seen it from somewhere, but it's non-copyrighted, of course. Anyways, this is my cyborg guy. He's a predator. Well, he's made of alien predator blood, but anyways, he also has a laser eye. He can shoot lasers, and he's standing on a hoverboard, as well as this background. Look, see, it's 2020X, and look at this. It's an alien. It's taking this cow. Look at that. In the far, far future, my idea was that all the buildings would get old and stuff. The human race would kind of they evolutionize, but they will move up into outer space, and Earth will be abandoned like this. So flying cars are now able, see, as you can tell. And look at this. We are now traveling into other planets, as you can tell with the spaceship right there. And look, a portal, from that portal gun that I have. Anyways, my name is Derek Misquez, and I'm signing off. I hope you enjoyed my compare model, and done.